Hi, I'm Jim Jackson. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer from Hewlett Packard Enterprise. I'm also the executive sponsor from HPE to Veeam. You know, when you look at the marketplace today, customers are looking for dependability, they're looking for an understanding and a partnership that understands their pain, and most importantly, they're looking for a proven track record of technology solutions, and HPE and Veeam brings that. Massive data growth is driving a need for environments to transform fast. Every customer is on a digital transformation journey, but the number of choices and factors and solutions can become very complex for them. Another thing is compliance, and company regulations call for long-term storage policies, and they can be cumbersome to meet. 81% of customers today have a multi-cloud strategy. And by 2020, ESG predicts that 25% of backups will be in the cloud. So our customers are needing a holistic data management solution with deep integration to manage data across all their environments. HPE brings market-leading storage technology across Nimble, 3PAR, etc. Veeam is a leader in intelligent data management and has the strongest growth momentum in the data protection market, according to IDC. HPE is Veeam's #1 alliance with 8 years of integration across a breadth of portfolio, delivering customers with 262% 5-year ROI. That is really impressive, and that's an IDC stat. And after seeing all this success in the market, HPE announced that Veeam was elevated to a strategic alliance partner, making Veeam HPE's preferred data protection partner. Customers are trying to increase the availability of data and applications and reduce the impact of outages on the business, and we're enabling them to do that. Our joint solutions enable 83% shorter backup windows and 93% faster recovery windows to limit potential loss of transactions. We provide a single pane of glass data protection solution regardless of where your workload resides. That delivers a dependable, cost-effective data protection and recovery solution to reduce risk of data loss. This decreases the cost of unplanned downtime by 78% through HPE and Veeam integrated solutions. That's a really impressive stat. Customers can expect a lot from HPE and Veeam in 2019. You're going to see us focus on solutions across 3 core areas. The first is data protection, powered by intelligent storage with HPE 3PAR and HPE Nimble integrated tightly with Veeam. The second is unique consumption-based data management with Veeam being delivered through HPE's innovative GreenLake Flex Capacity platform. This is a pay-as-you-go model with complete metering. And the third is extending data protection from on-premises to the cloud with HPE Simplified, our leading HCI solution, and Veeam's leading technology. Only HPE and Veeam can deliver this level of flexibility in terms of delivering customer choice across data protection due to a partnership spanning over 10 years. Our solutions are vetted, they're tested. We provide a lot of technology innovation across the portfolio, a proven track record of success solving customer problems, and most importantly, a cultural synergy that allows our customers to be secure in the longevity of the relationship. We have proven it in multiple customer accounts. We can prove it for you going forward.